Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? I don't know about that. 'Cause you've had me up since 3:30 this morning. So I'm not sure that you had any sleep at all. 'Cause I know I've been up for over an hour already. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sleep depriver. How about you folks? Your cats wake you up at 3:30 every morning? Mine do. Why 3:30? Why not 2:30? Why not 3:45? Why is it always exactly 3:30 a.m.? It's like a little built-in alarm clock. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Talking about you, sleep depriver. What do you got to say for yourself? That's it, huh? Okay, well, I hear the coffee pot calling. Yep, it's ready. I'll be back later, folks.